Hello everyone, you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I am here with a video for class 10th on the lesson Black Airplane. So I am going to solve you its question and answer. Just watch the video to see the question answer of the lesson. So here first question is, I'll take the risk. What is the risk? Why does the narrator take it? Answer is, the risk was to fly through the black storm clouds. The narrator took the risk because he wanted to reach Paris to celebrate Christmas with his family. Next question. Describe the narrator's experience as he flew the aeroplane into the storm. Answer is, as he flew into the storm, everything went black. It was impossible to see anything outside the plane. It jumped and twisted in the air. When he looked at his compass, he saw that it was turning round and round. It was dead. Along with it, the other instruments, including the radio, were also dead. Suddenly, he saw another aeroplane. Its pilot waved at him, asking him to follow. He was glad to find a helper. He was using his last fuel tank, and there was only enough fuel to fly 5 or 10 minutes. The other pilot then the other pilot started to go down and he followed. He suddenly came out of the clouds and saw the runway on which he then landed his plane safely. Next question. Why does the narrator say, I landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota? Answer is, he was delighted to land safely out of dark stormy clouds. Therefore, he was not sorry to walk away for his plane. He felt bad when he was not able to thank his guide, his mentor who saved him from frightening situation. But he was so happy after landing that he did not feel sorry for not being able to thank the guide pilot. Next question. What made the woman in the control center look at the narrator strangely? Answer is, the woman in the control room was surprised when the narrator asked about the other aeroplane and its pilot. She said that there was no aeroplane seen on the radar. Next question. Who do you think helped the narrator to reach safely? Discuss this among yourself and give reasons for your answer. Answer is, probably it was the narrator's own self that helped him through the storm. There was no other plane in the storm, as the woman at the control central center could see only his plane on the radar. So no other plane was flying that night. In his fear, he might have been hallucinating. He was a good pilot, and it might have been his own self that came to his help. Next, dare to guess the meaning of the word black in the sentence given below. Check the meaning in the dictionary and find out whatever you have guessed right. First, go and have a bath. Your hands and face are absolute black. Second is, the taxi driver gave Ratan a black look as he crossed the road when the traffic light was green. Third is, the bombardment of Hiroshima is one of the blackest crime against humanity. Fourth is, very few people enjoyed Harold Pinter's black comedy. Fifth is sometimes shopkeepers store essential goods to create false scarcity and then sell these in black. Six is blazers had beaten the criminals black and blue. Answer is the meaning of black in this sentence is that the face and hands are dark with dust and heat. Second, here black refers to an angry look. Third, here blackest refer to the darkest and the cruelest crime against humanity. Fourth, here black refers to dark and gloomy comedy. Fifth, the meaning of black in the sentence is that the shopkeeper sell the described goods at a higher price. 6. Here black means that the criminal suffered excessive beating at the hands of the villagers. Next, match the phrase given under the column A with their meaning given under column B. कुछ फ्रेज यहाँ दे रखे हैं और उनके ए कॉलम में फ्रेज दे रखे हैं और बी में उनके मीनिंग दे रखे हैं, हमने इनको सही से मैच करना है। तो आप इनको देखिएगा, सीधे आंसर पर आते हैं। फ्लाई अ फ्लैग। फ्लाई अ फ्लैग का मतलब होता है डिस्प्ले अ फ्लैग ऑन अ लॉन्ग पोल, झंडे को किसी ऊपर फहराना, पोल पर किसी झंडे को फहराना। फ्लाई इनटू रेज। फ्लाई इनटू रेज मीन्स होता है बिकम सडनली वेरी एंग्री, अचानक से बहुत क्रोधित हो जाना। फ्लाई अलोन। फ्लाई अलोन माने होता है मूव क्विकली और सडनली, अचानक या तेजी से भागना। फ्लाई हाई मीन्स होता है बी सक्सेसफुल। फ्लाई हाई माने होता है सफल होना किसी कार्य में। और फ्लाई द कूप। फ्लाई द कूप मीन्स होता है एस्केप फ्रॉम द प्लेस। एस्केप मीन्स भागना, फ्रॉम अ प्लेस मीन्स किसी स्थान से भागना। नेक्स्ट है वी नो दैट द वर्ड फ्लाई बर्ड इंसेक्ट मीन्स टू मूव थ्रू एयर यूजिंग विंग। Move through using wing. Tick the words which have the same or nearly the same meaning. Fly का मतलब होता है उड़ना या आगे बढ़ना, तो सेम वर्ड का मीनिंग को आपने यहाँ से इस जो चार्ट दे रखा है इसमें से आपने पता करना है। तो देखिए आंसर में है द वर्ड्स विच हैव द सेम और नियरली द सेम मीनिंग एज फ्लाई आर एज फॉलोज। देखिए क्या क्या है। पहला है सूफ। सूफ मीन्स भी तेज़ी से उड़ना होता है। उसके बाद है फ्लीट, उसके बाद है फ्लोट, उसके बाद है डार्ट, सोअर, होबर, सेल, स्कीम और ग्लाइड और फ्लटर। इन सब के माने होता है फ्लाई या मूव करना। सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ योर लेसन ब्लैक एरोप्लेन। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।